Children, good morning. And I am continuing now the same exercise 5.3. Yesterday I had started with the exercise and I had explained you what is the sum of the first n terms of the given AP. So those formula I'm going to revise and then I'm going to continue with this exercise. Today I'll complete with you question 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Let's begin with question number 2. But before that I'm going to write the formula, right? Formula. Check. Now the formula which we are using in this exercise, we have the sum of the first n terms of an AP, right? So we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, this is one formula depending on what is given in the question, right? And there is one more, n by 2 into a plus l. Now you all know the meaning of a. N is the number of terms, l is a last term, and d is a common difference. Okay, now looking at question number 2, find the sums given below. Find the sums given below means we have to find the sum of these terms. Okay, to find out the sum of these terms, we can, let me first write question number 2. 7, 10 and a half, 14, and the last term is 84, right? Okay, now last term is given and the first term is given. We can first find the value of n. Okay, when we will get the value of n, then we can get the value of Sn. Okay, let's check. Yes, over here. Now with this series, I can find out, you know that a is equal to 7, L is equal to 84. Yes, we can find the common difference. What is a common difference? Check. 10 and a half minus 7. It will be 3 and a half. Yes, 3 and a half. 3 and a half can be written as 7 by 2. Now depending on the question I told you, whichever formula we need, we can apply. Now let us check this one. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Or if I take, let's check where will we, which formula we are applying. Sn is equal to n by 2. Yes, n by 2 into 2 into 7, that is 14 plus n minus 1 into d. D is how much? 7 by 2. We can also do one thing. If we'll get two equations, we can substitute them and we can find the answer, right? So here I get Sn is equal to n by 2, 14 plus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2. This is n. Okay. Now Sn is equal to, I'll keep on solving, n by 2, 14 minus 7 by 2 plus 7 n by 2. Okay, now I get here 14 2s are 28, LCM 2, 28 minus 7 and plus 7 n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2. 7 and 8 here I get 21, so therefore I will write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 21 by 2 plus 7n by 2. Okay, now as you can see that if I multiply here, if I leave it here, suppose I leave it here and I put it as equation number 1, then the next formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. What is a here? 7 and 84. Okay, what is 7? Yeah, 84. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 84 plus 7 will give you 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 91 by 2, equation 2. Now we can substitute these and we get the answer for n. When I will get the answer for n, then I will get the value of Sn. Okay, so let's do it. Equating 1 and 2. We have 91 n by 2 is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 21 by 2 plus 7n by 2. Now as you can see that n by 2 and n by 2 will cancel here. I will get 91 minus 21 by 2 is equal to 7n by 2. LCM 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, minus 21 is equal to 7n by 2. 2 I can cancel. 2 minus 1 will give you 1, 161. 2 minus 1, 1, 8 minus 2, 6. Yes, 161 upon 7 is equal to n. Here I get 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So here I get the answer for n as 23. Right, children? Now when I've got n as 23, I can easily find Sn because I have this equation. So therefore Sn will be equal to 91 into 23 upon 2. Yes, so you can multiply 3 ones are 91 into 23. Let's check. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So here I get 3, 9, 10 and 2093. So Sn is equal to 2093 divided by 2, or if you want it in the mixed fraction, you will get the answer. Sn is equal to 2093 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16, 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 eights are 16, no, 2 6s are 12 in the end. Check once more. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 2 fours are 8 and 2 6s are 12. So 1046 1 by 2 is the answer for Sn, right? And what is the value of n here? 23. And how we have done? Now since in this series we have the first term and the last term, we know what is a common difference. With these values we will take two equations, applying in the two formulae, right? And then we will substitute, equate these two equations and then find the answer for n and then Sn. Okay, so you can go through this explanation and you can see this working. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, this completes your question number 2 first part. Now similarly you can apply the same method in these questions also, where you have the common difference given, the first term given and the last term given. You will use the two equations and find out the answers for n and Sn. Okay, coming to question number 3. Question 3 says, you know, the whole exercise is based on the sum of the first n terms of the AP. Now given A is 5, D is 3, AN is 50, again find n and Sn. Similar to the previous question, they have clearly mentioned whichever quantity we want. If we want n or Sn, or in this next question you can see we want D, then we want S12. So you know how to apply for these particular values. So let's check the first one. A is 5, D is 3 and AN is 50. Find n and Sn. Using the, okay, let's check the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. This you have done in your previous exercises. AN is 50. Okay, A is 5. D is what? 3. N minus 1 into 3. So 50 minus 5 will give you 45. 3n minus 3. This 3 will come here, it will be 48. And that is equal to by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are. So the answer for n is 16. So total there are 16 terms in this particular AP. We will find Sn. Now Sn is equal to, very simple, n by 2 A plus L. Is L given? Is A? Yes. So we can use this, or if you want you can use 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore I will write n by 2, that is 16 by 2 into 8. A is how much? 5 plus 50. Okay, that is 55. So therefore it will be 8 into 55. Okay, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 44. Okay, so this completes your question number 3 first part, in which what is given? A is given, D is given, AN is given, which is the last term, and therefore we will use the first we'll use this formula to find n. After finding n, we will find Sn. And what is Sn? Sum of the n terms of the AP. Okay. So there are so many other questions, children, from the exercise. You can see A7, A13 is given. Okay. Now using these, you will find the equations, you will make equations, and then you will find out the answers. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now you know there are three formulae. One is a plus n minus 1 into d to find an, that is the last term or the nth term. Then a, a is the first value, l is the last value, that is the last term, d is a common difference. Then you also have a formula to find the sum of the n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l, or we can use n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so if you have any doubt in these questions, you can ask me. Coming to question number 4. How many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 dash 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 give you the sum 636? Okay, check. 9, 17, 25, 636. As you can see that if you have to find the common difference, it will be 17 minus 9, right? Or 25 minus 17. So we will first write A is equal to 9, D is equal to, and what is 636? Sn. 636. This is a sum given. What is the difference between 17 and 9, children? 9, 8. Okay. Yeah, 8. 1 minute. Yes. Now we have to find what? How many terms? So we have to find n. Okay, to find n, we have to use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Now n by 2, this is 636, is equal to 2a. That is 2 into a, that is directly I will write 18 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? 8. Okay. Now 636 into 2 is equal to n bracket 18 plus 8n minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 10. 636 into 2 is equal to n 10 plus 8n. Okay. Now children, as you can see that if I will multiply n over here in this, these terms, I will get a quadratic equation. And you know how to form the how to solve a quadratic equation, either by splitting the middle term method or by the formula method. After that you will get the answer for n. Okay, so let's do it. If I multiply here 636 into 2, just wait, I am not multiplying now. It will be 10n plus 8n square. Now to make it simple, I can divide this whole equation by 2. Yes, so I will get here this. I will get 636 is equal to 10n plus 8n square. Yes, now 8n square plus 10n minus 636 is 5n. 5n, and this will be 4n square because I have simplified this equation. Here 2 will cancel. So therefore I will get here 4n square, 5n, and 636 is equal to 0. I will write the equation once again. 4n square and plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now you can use the middle term method or the formula method. So I will solve with the formula method. Alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If you are very quick in finding the factors or the splitting the middle term, you can quickly do that also. Now here B is equal to, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to minus 636. Okay. Now here I get alpha beta equals to minus B. B is what? 5 plus minus B square, that is 25, minus 4 into 4 into 636. And because 636 is minus, this minus and this minus will club together and we will get a positive number upon 2 into A, that is 8. Okay. Now when I multiply 4 and 2, 4 and 636, minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 636 into 16. I have to find out 636 into 16. Then I will add it to 25. So 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 are 18, 19, 21. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38. Then 1 6 are 6. 1 3 are 3. 1 6 are 6. Okay. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10176 plus 25. 11, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10201. So 25 plus what number? 10176 plus 8. 25 plus 10176 will give you 10201 upon 8. Now the square root of 10201 is 101. Okay. The square root of 10201 is what? 101. So therefore alpha beta is equal to, we will take two answers and we will see which one is applicable over here. Minus 5 minus 101 upon 8. N cannot be negative. So this will be minus 106 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 2. 8. 8 ones are 8. Yeah, 8 twos are 8 threes are 24. Not divisible. So it will be, I will leave it as minus 106 upon 8, which is not a whole number, right? Or not a proper number, which it is also negative, so we cannot use this value. Similarly, if I go for the next value, that is, this is alpha, 1 root. For beta, I will take minus 5 plus 101 upon 8. So children, are you understanding? We are finding the factors actually of n. It will be 96 upon 8 and 8 ones, 8 twos are 16. So the value of B is, beta is what? 12. And what is beta here? N. N is equal to 12. I hope you are clear with. We are finding the answer for n. Okay. So to find the answer for n, we can use the splitting the middle term method, or we can use this method. When we use this method, we have to use the formula b square minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We proceed with this equation and we get here. Now since this alpha, that is the first root, cannot be negative, so we will ignore this. This value is not to be taken. We will take the next value, that is beta 12. These are the roots of the equation and here n will be 12 and this is the answer. Okay, so this is which question? Question number, this is which question? Question number 4. As you can see that the series is given. We will make equations till here. Then we simplify this quadratic equation by dividing it by 2 and then we continue with the formula method. Okay, you have an option using the splitting the middle term method. Then question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, sum is 400, find the number of terms and the common difference. Now as these type of questions are coming up, you can understand that we'll get, if we get two equations, those two equations we will solve by elimination method and then we can find the answers for whatever quantity we require. Fifth one says the first term of an AP is 5. Okay, so I will write here question number 5. The first term is 5. Last term, L is equal to 45. Sn is equal to 400. What do we have to find out? N and D. Okay. Now you know that for Sn we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, simple, because n we don't know, Sn we know, a and l. Sn 400, n by 2, a 5 plus 45. So simple, 400 into 2 is equal to 50n. Yes, 50 will be brought here. So therefore I will write 400 into 2 upon 50, which is equal to n. Cancel 0, 5 8s are, n is equal to 16. Okay, very simple question. N is equal to 16. Now we can find d. What is d? We can find Sn is equal to 2a plus n minus 1 d. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, Sn is 400. N by 2 means 16 by 2. 2 into, what is a? What is a? 5. So I will write here 10. Okay, plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1, that is 15 into d. Yes, 2 will go up. Oh, cancel this. 400 upon 8. Instead of taking 2 up, I will first solve this. 400 upon 8 is equal to 10 plus 15d. Yes, children. Then 8 5s are very simple. 50 minus 10 is equal to 15d. 40 upon 15 is equal to d. Then 5 3s are 5 8s are. So the answer for d is 8 by 3. You can check in the book whether these answers are correct or not. Okay, so this is how the question number 5 has to be done. We will be seeing whatever quantities are given. We will check those and then we will take the equations and find the answers. Next, the first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. Same type, I think. Sixth one. A 17, then L is 350. Okay. The common difference is 9. D is 9. How many terms are there and what is the sum? Okay, I have written everything what is given. A is 17, L is this, D is 9, and find Sn. So I think here also we will have two equations, and using those two equations we'll find the answers. So let's check out quickly. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. I'm writing the formula again, children, so that you can learn it, and once you have learned it there will be no problem. N by 2, 2 into a, that is 34, plus d 9 n minus, wait, let me write, n minus 1 into 9. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2, 34 plus 9n minus 9. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 34 minus 9, we can write 9n plus, yes, 9 10 11 12 13 14 will give you 25. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Children, yes, I hope you are understanding. I will not solve it now. Let me first find the next equation. Sn is equal to n by 2, a plus l. A is 17, L is how much? 350. So from here I will get the next equation, and Sn will be equal to 367 n by 2. So very simple, we will equate these two. I will get 367 n by 2 is equal to n by 2 9n plus 25. Cancel this n by 2 and n by 2. 9n 367 minus 25 will give you 2, 4, 3. 342 by 9 will give you 9 3s are 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, this will be 7 and 8. So the answer for n is what? 38. What else we want? What else we want, children? Yes, once we have got n, we can find the sum. Okay, you know the formula? You know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Substitute the values and you will get the answer. So children, you complete these questions today, and today is Saturday, as you know that we have got time. Tomorrow you have Sunday. You can complete. You can complete this work, because Monday now I'll continue with the same exercise, and you can see that there are so many other problems which we have to complete. So see that you do your work on time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can check the answers from the back of your textbook, and any doubts, children, you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.